As you can see, this was an easy installation. So we have both receptors right here. So the main thing is making sure that they line up. There's the 3 holes on the side, as you can see. And as you're testing them, the little dial right here that has a set of numbers, once it's over 100, that means the connection is good. Right now, it's sitting at about an 860, so you know we're doing really good. So, and you also have the leveling right here to make sure it's leveled correctly. So I would suggest when you do set it up, have it at a lower level so that it could take someone walking through. Because at first when I installed it, I had it too high, and I'm only 5'9", so say someone my height or lower would not have been detected. So have it at a good level, but it's pretty easy, and you just walk right through. It's good, but on the back is when you set it up, you have the buttons that you'll press. All that's in the instructions. The instructions are pretty easy, and it works, and it does what it's supposed to do. Here's the power cord that comes along with it, and here is the device that you would have inside of your home. Here you would connect it right into the back. All right, to turn it on. So when you're outside pressing the receptors, this will go off, the sound will go off, and there's a small button all the way to the right where you click and you pick the sound that you'd like. Go ahead and just pick your sound, whatever you're in the mood for, which is great so you can change it if you have different moods. Then you can go ahead and try it out. A burglar trying to open and lift this up, I'm already detected. I've already been notified.